Hello. Uh, first of all, please like and share our music in Spotify and YouTube. Just key in sa Olan Alagaw. There are lots of music that you definitely love, like this one, Paradiso, composed and written by, of course, one of our own, my brother, named Olan Alagaw. Just search for his name. Uh, just to tell you a little bit of background. Paradiso is a heartfelt tribute designed to bring back the sun-drenched memories of Alagao back in the 80s, especially from the cherished place called Paradise Subdivisions. That's where we grew up. Imagine a time when life flowed effortlessly through the innocent eyes of four spirited siblings guided by, of course, ng aming parents, dear nanay and tatay. Uh, Back in the days, or I mean, in those days, while the challenges of life were tangible, it was our shared dreams and unbreakable love that forged a lasting family bond. We're not rich, but strong enough to weather any storm. You know, you know what I mean? The creation of the song is more than just a song. It's a gift to the future. It's for our sons, our daughters, and the grandson yet to come. And to you too, audience. If you stumble upon this video, remember, remember this. Chase your dreams relentlessly and hold on to your belief with both hands. My deepest wish is for this simple yet profound legacy to thrive in the hearts of every new generation of Alagao. May we keep nurturing and celebrating our heritage, guided by the love of our, of course, Lord Jesus Christ. So, yeah, enjoy the music and feel it. Gonna love it. Click it. Click it.
Sa umagang may hamog pa sa damuhan, takbuhan, tawanan, walang katapusan. Si nanay, si tatay ay naghahanda na, habang ang araw ay dahan-dahang sumisikat na. May mga sugat sa tuhod, pero puso'y busog sa alaala at saya. Doon ko unang natutunan ang kahulugan ng pag-asa. Sa paradise, tahanan ng aking musmos na mundo, doon buo ng pangarap na totoo. Simple lang ang buhay pero puno ng sigla. Doon ko natagpuan ang saya ng bata. Sa ilalim ng punong mangga kami nagkukwentuhan, tinitingnan ang langit, nangangarap ng kinabukasan. May aral sa bawat pagdadapa, bawat luhay may dalang pagbangon din pala. Kay tamis ng alaalang iyon, habang si nanay kasama ko pa noon. Doon ay una kong natutunan ang tunay na halaga ng pamilya. Sa paradise, tahanan ng aking musmos na mundo, doon bumuo ng pangarap na totoo. Simple lang ang buhay pero puno ng sigla. Doon ko natagpuan ang saya ng bata. Ngayon ako'y malaki na, bumabalik muli sa alaala ang tawanan Sa paradise, tahanan ng aking musmos na mundo. Doon bumuo ng pangarap na totoo. Simple lang ang buhay pero puno ng sigla. Doon ko natagpuan ang saya ng bata.